These guys are asleep because they just got tired of waiting to meet a new friend. But guess what? We have a new friend possibly in this box, and I'm sure they will wake up once they find out if there's a friend in the box. Now, if you didn't see the time when there was no friend in the box, they were so devastated that they literally passed out. I'll make sure to leave a link to that unboxing below this video. Hello everyone, and welcome to Cricut with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. In today's unboxing, I am unboxing the Fall is in the Air Cricut Mystery Box. I did not get the new one, the one that's called Under the Sea, but I will leave a link below just in case there are any more of those in stock. So without further ado, let's get started. Ooh, wow, wowzers, wowzers. Look at this. This is what it looks like before I take anything out of the box. Y'all still asleep? Okay. All right, let's see what's in here. Now, Cricut is doing something new. I have not ordered a mystery box in a while, but I don't remember them doing it like this. So they just labeled the wrapping. So this one is adhesive foil gold. So adhesive foil is not for fabric, okay? So I wouldn't be using this on fabric. I might use it if I wanted to, put a label on this table, or if I wanted to label my pegboard or something like that. I do have a tutorial on adhesive foil where I use it to make a candy dish, and I've also put adhesive foil on a water bottle. Let me pause the video and grab that water bottle so you can see what it looks like. So this is the water bottle that I made with adhesive foil, okay? So there's a tutorial that I will leave linked below the video for this. This one is foil iron-on rose gold. And let me just say, I did not already have this color, and I'm super excited about this. Now, foil iron-on rose gold is different. I would have to use this on fabric. I have done a tutorial on how to use foil iron-on. I put my name on a bag multiple times and it came out really, really cute. I will make sure to leave that link below also. This one is premium vinyl, permanent holographic threads, Mesa sampler. So there are 3 sheets in here, and I don't think I want to open this, you guys, because the way this packaging is, it'll be hard to get this wrapped back up. So I don't think I'm a fan of this packaging. Y'all ready to get up? Okay, I'm gonna get you up in one second. 1 second, let me get you. I don't think I want to open this one, but I kind of want you to see what it looks like. Let me just try to be careful about how I open it. So, one thing about the packaging is that it doesn't tell you how long each sheet is. It used to do that on the older packaging. So there's 1 sheet in this blue. I would consider this as royal blue. And then there's 1 sheet in this like copper. And then there's 1 in this, I would say metallic. It's very, very pretty. Okay, and I would probably say these are 12 by 19 if I had to guess. Now, I do know this box is sold out. And I will also say that there are a lot of people who probably already received their box. I just received my box the other day. I think it was like a day ago. All right, this is premium vinyl. And there are 3 colors. There's maize, yellow, tangerine. Okay. Or maybe it's just 1 color and I'm not sure. This is a roll of premium vinyl. Like, once again, this is not for fabric. Okay, there's also everyday iron-on sampler in neutrals, everyday iron-on in white. Okay, so there are, it looks like 4 sheets in here, and this is iron-on vinyl. Okay, this is an example of iron-on vinyl that I'm wearing on this shirt. Okay, this one I already know what you guys are thinking. Let me just put them right here because I know you can't wait to see them. I already know you can't wait to see them. All right, as soon as they woke up, they just circled around their friend because they just are so excited. I'm excited too. Okay, so we have foil transfer sheets in metallic. And I have not had good luck with these, but I'm not going to quit. Leave a comment below and let me know if you want to see me try it again with the foil transfer sheets. I have not had good luck with those. And then this is craft board in metals. Now let me tell you that I love craft board because it is super thick and sturdy. And I actually used craft board when I made my last cutie banner. This cutie, I don't know if you can see it from where you are. I used glitter cardstock and I put craft board behind each layer. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets in green and 5 sheets in this gold color, 5 sheets in silver. It's kind of like cardstock, just a little bit thicker. 5 sheets in black, and it's not just like a regular black, it has a shine to it or a sheen to it. And then 5 sheets of this copper. So I think these are really, really nice. I'm very excited about this. I think I'm the most excited about the foil iron-on in rose gold, and I'm excited to meet my new friend right here. I can't wait to see what my friend looks like. So are you ready for that? Before I get into that, if you found this helpful at all, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Let me answer the question that I'm going to get asked before the end of this. I'm going to answer 2 questions. One, how do you get a mystery box? The way you get a mystery box is you have to be, most of the time you have to be subscribed to, you have to have a Cricut Access membership. And you do that by going to the Cricut.com website. I will leave a link below. If you haven't already tried Cricut Access free for 30 days, you can try that free for 30 days and then you can see if you like it. At first, when I first started with this whole Cricut tutorials, I was not subscribed to Cricut Access, but I do think it is a worthwhile deal. It's approximately $9.99 per month, and I haven't regretted getting started with Cricut Access at all. Number 2, how do you know when Cricut mystery boxes are released? Typically when they're released, I share them on my community tab right here on YouTube. I also share them in my Facebook group, and I share them on my Instagram page. Now, I don't typically share them if I don't purchase the box because I don't like to share links for things that I don't personally purchase. However, I would just say, stay tuned, stay close to the Cricut website, and stay tuned to my channel because I do share it as I've already stated. All right, so let's put this stuff to the side and meet our new friend. Y'all ready? Y'all don't want to turn this way? You back here, y'all don't want to turn this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute he is. Look at how cute he is, you guys. And he is just in time for fall. Oh my goodness. He is so cute. Look at how cute he is. Okay, so I know y'all are excited, but I'm gonna need you to bring it down. Okay, so once again, if you have found this helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.